everyone! Today we learn Family and Friends 3, Unit 9, Lesson 5 and Lesson 6. Let's learn the new words. Building, country, bridge, river, old, long, listen, point, and repeat.
Listening 77. Listen and point.
Building, country, bridge, river, old, long, river, long, bridge, old, country, building,
Listen and repeat.
What's this? It's a building. Make a sentence. The building is old. What is this? It's a country. Make a sentence. The biggest country in the world is Russia. What is this? It's a bridge. Make a sentence. The bridge is long. What's this? It's a river. Make a sentence. The river is wide. What is it like? It's old. Make a sentence. The car is old. Long. Make a sentence. The car is long. Now let's read. Look at the pictures. What can you see? I can see some old buildings. I can see a long bridge. I can see a map. I can see a river. The river is very long. Now listen and read.
Listening 78. Listen and read.
Here are some of the world's records. There are many interesting facts.
The Gigantia temples are in Malta. The temples are over 5,500 years old. They are the oldest buildings in the world.
The longest bridges in the world are the two bridges over Lake Pontchartrain in the USA. The bridges are nearly 24 miles long. You can't see land from the middle of the bridges.
Russia is the biggest country in the world. It is 17,075,400 square kilometers. That is 12.5% of the Earth's surface. In Russia, there are 11 different time zones. Russia is between Europe and Asia.
The longest river in the world is the Nile. The Nile is 6,695 kilometers long. The Nile flows through 9 countries in Africa. The last country is Egypt. From Egypt, it flows into the Mediterranean Sea.
Let's look at some new words. World's records. When something is unique and it's the biggest, the longest, the deepest thing in the world, it can become a world's record. Temple. It's a building where people go to pray. We read this number as 5,500. The temples are over 5,500 years old. Over means more. The bridges are nearly 25 miles long. Nearly means about, around, plus or minus. Miles. In some countries, people use kilometers to count the distance, but in some countries, like the USA, people count the distance in miles. One mile is about 1.6 kilometers. We read this number as 17,075,400 square kilometers. Earth's surface. Earth is the name of the planet where we live. Earth's surface is all territory of the planet. This number we read as 12.5. Time zones. There are different time zones in the world, and time is different in different countries and places. This is one time zone, and this is the other. And the time is not the same. The Nile. It's the name of the river. The Nile flows. When the river moves, we say the river flows through 9 countries. It means there are 9 countries on the way. Mediterranean Sea. It's the name of the sea. Now you read the story. Read again and match the sentence halves. A. The Gandhian temples are the oldest buildings in the world. 2. Lake Pontchartrain is in the USA. 3. Russia is the biggest country in the world. 4. The Nile is the longest river in the world. Now listen and complete the table. There are 4 countries: Egypt, Brazil, the UK, and Spain.
Listening 79. Listen and complete the table. Number 1.
What's the biggest lake in Egypt?
Is it Lake Nasser?
Yes, it is. What's the longest river in Egypt?
The Nile.
Yes. What's the highest mountain in Egypt?
Mount Catherine.
That's right.
Number 2.
What's the biggest lake in Spain?
Is it Lake Sanabria?
Yes, it is. What's the longest river in Spain?
The Tagus.
That's right. What's the highest mountain in Spain?
It's Mount Tide.
Yes.
Number 3.
What's the biggest lake in Brazil?
Is it Lake Patos?
Yes, it is. What's the longest river in Brazil?
The Amazon.
That's right. What's the highest mountain in Brazil?
Is it Fog Peak?
Yes, it is.
Number 4.
What's the biggest lake in the UK?
It's Loch Ness.
That's right. What's the longest river in the UK?
Oh, I don't know that.
The longest river in the UK is the Severn. What's the highest mountain in the UK?
Is it Ben Nevis?
Yes, it is. Very good.
Check. Now ask and answer the questions like that. I give you 1 minute. Okay, and now let's do some writing. Look at the red words. Always, never, sometimes. These words are adverbs of frequency. We use them to talk about something and describe how often it happens or how often we do it. We usually put adverbs of frequency before the verb. I always go to the shopping mall. I never go to the shopping mall. But some adverbs of frequency can go at the beginning or at the end of the sentence. For example, sometimes. I sometimes go to the shopping mall. Or we can say, I go to the shopping mall sometimes. Or we can put it at the beginning of the sentence and say, sometimes I go to the shopping mall. Now read the 7 sentences and tick if it's correct or cross if it's not correct. Let's check. Number 2. Can you correct the sentence? Alison never cooks. Number 3. It's correct. Read the sentence. You watch DVDs sometimes. 4. Correct the sentence. The boys always play football. 5. Correct the sentence. I always go swimming on Saturdays. 6. Read the sentence. She sometimes plays chess. 7. They never eat Italian food. Good job. We finished the lesson. Let's say goodbye. Goodbye, everyone.